Welcome to our super blogging system. I am again by name Adamu Bashir from OZ Madugo General Enterprise. So in today's video, I want to present to you about our super blogging system. Before I continue, let me say good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on the time you are watching this video. So in this blogging system, we have three user categories: the super admin, the main admin, and also the normal user. The super admin will be able to manage the entire content of the website. The normal admin are going to create a post and post of the website, and the normal user are going to read the post and also comment about the post. And some of the features of the website, you can see we have the next and the previous button options here for you to be able to include. However, this post here will only set it to be one post per page, but the moment you purchase this, you can set it to as many number of posts per page that you want to make, and all of this information will be given to you in the documentation. Below here again, we have a beautiful subscription newsletter whereby you'll be able to get users' email address for those that actually want to receive your subscription message. And the subscription email here we have was actually validated so that no user can be able to submit two email address in their subscription list. No user can be able to submit two email address. Without wasting much of our time, let me quickly take us through the entire system now. So here, the super admin will be able to manage the logo, the title of the blog, and you can also add your ad. If you have any ad that you have for any of the websites, what you're expected to do as a super admin is to get the image, the exact image in this form of the size, and you also have the link, and you are going to add all of this from the super admin page. And this is the home page here on the navbar. These are the categories. If you like, you can decide to display your category at the top bar here, or you can decide to display it at the side bar here. You can decide to display it. And this is our post. You can have several posts. I also have the next and previous button for you to be able to use in the blogging system. You can be able to select from each of these posts. And you can see for every post you have the published by the user that actually posts this, whether it is a super admin or is a main admin. You can see published by this user, OZ Madugo, and you can also see the date that this post was also published. You can see the image and the title and some little description about the post. You can either select the number of pages you want to go to, either page 2, or you can either select by going to the previous page. So at this side here again, we also have the search bar for you to be able to work with your search bar here. So anything you actually search from the website, it will actually try to link it to any of the title on the website. So anything you are typing, it should tally with the title for the website. So the moment you want to use the search bar here, let's assume I want to search for education. If I click on this search, you can see no item found. So this is search result for education and no item found. We don't have any item that is found here for the search result for education. So let me quickly go and type for post. I believe we should have a lot of content here, about 3 or so, that have this post as a title. You can see. So search result for post. You can see search result for post. You can see this. You can also read more. You can see the date. You can see MTN post 101, Airtel post 102. And the moment you click on this read more, it will take you to the page for you to be able to read about the post. So the next thing again we have at the index page, that's the home page. Quickly go. It seems like my network is slow today. So after the search, we'll have the blog category here. So these are the blog category here. We only have 3 blog categories here. and you can also decide to display them at this navbar here or at the sidebar here for you to be able to actually locate it quickly. Then the next one we also have here is the recent post. You will be able to get your recent post here under this recent post option at the sidebar here. So if I click on any of this blog category, let's say I want to go to the news. Now after clicking on the news, you can see I'm now at the news page for this blog category. So any post I have under the news, I will be able to see it in this page here, and I can go either to the number of pages that I have my news page here. So below here again we also have the logo, and all of these are going to be managed by the super admin. You are going to add your logo, you add the site title and also the site description. We also have some quick link for help, about and contact us page here. So if you click on this about page here, it will take you to the about page, and this is how the about page look like. Okay, I'm testing this. You'll be able to add all of these from the super admin page. As the super admin, you'll be able to add all of this. And also if you go to the contact page here, we'll have a beautiful contact form here for you to be able to submit your message as regards to what you actually want to contact the admin for. Okay, let's assume now I want to type something like testing contact form for verification for all. That is, I'm typing it in the place for the name. So here I'll just type the name in full. Okay, let's say Adamu Bashir, and the subject is this testing contact form for verification for all, and email address is let's say I'm using adamubashir11@gmail.com. Then here I want to input my message. Okay, testing contact form for verification for all individuals. So after that I'll click on submit. You can see, hi, message sent successfully and we'll get back to you soon. This is a contact form that the moment the user or any site or anybody that visits this website and actually want to reach out to you as the owner of the website, they can be able to reach out to you by also sending you their message here. And as the admin, you are going to read this from the admin dashboard without actually visiting your mail. You are going to read this from the admin dashboard without visiting your mail. So the next one we also have here are the contact information. You'll be able to add all of this information from the admin backend. You are going to add all of this information from the admin. So after this contact information here, then the next one we also have here is the subscription to our newsletter. So we actually set this system to be able to verify, this digital verification system to be able to verify an email address, so that no user can submit two same email addresses for you in terms of their newsletter subscription. No user can be able to submit two email address. So let me quickly go and test email address to add to the system. I'm still using adamubashir11@gmail.com. If I click on subscribe, thank you. Let's go down and thank you. Hi, thank you for subscribing to our newsletter. Thank you for subscribing to our newsletter. So you can added the subscription email automatically to our subscription page from the admin backend to our database. So anytime I try to add that same email address again at adamubashir11@gmail.com, you'll find that it's going to give me a warning and tell me that the email address has already been used before. So going down again, you can check sorry, email address already exists. And the email address already exists. So this is a beautiful email subscription verification, so that no two email address can also be used in the subscription list for you. So the next one again we have, we quickly go to any of our posts. This is the login page. To go to the login page, you are going to input the email address and also the password, and you can decide to click this eye icon is for you to be able to see your password, either in terms of your registration or in terms of your login. So anytime you are making your registration, you input your first name, your last name. So after inputting all your details here, if you want to confirm, you can also press this icon here for you to be able to know your password. And after filling everything here, you click on this register for you to be able to register on the website. So if you already have an account, you can quickly click on this for you to log in to the website. So let's quickly go to the post again. So for this post here, if you go down here, you can see okay, I have content post 101. I can go back to the previous post. You see okay, Lorem post or Lorem EP. So you can click on this to read more. You can see it's going to bring me to the page. And so I'm already in the post page here, whereby I can read the post. If I click on that, it's going to bring me to the post page for that specific post that I want to read. So you can see published by this. You can see the name for the individual that actually published this is different. You can see published by Adam Moses. This published, you can see November 28, 2023. The category is what it means. Now this is the content for this post, and you also have a share button here for you to be able to share. You can see share on Facebook, share on WhatsApp, share on Twitter, and also share on LinkedIn. You also have a rating for you to be able to rate this post. You can give it from 1 star to 5 stars, and after that you click on your submit to submit your rating. So currently now we don't have any rating here. Currently you can see the rating for the system is 0. The rating for the system is 0. And what the system actually does is just going to take the average rating. It's not going to give you the entire rating for the system. It's going to give you the average rating and calculate it automatically and give you the result. Also again for this post, you can see we don't have any comment for this post. At least Lorem post, there is no comment where you can see this with the first to comment. And you must be able to log in for you to be able to comment on the website. So if you are not logged into the website, you cannot comment. If you are not logged into the website, you cannot comment here yourself. So let me log in now to the website. You must be logged in, so I will click on the login. So I'm not logging in as a super admin. Let me log in as a user. So user demo at gmail.com, and I click on login. You can see I log in successfully. I have logged in successfully to the site. I have logged in successfully to the site. I have logged in successfully. I can now decide to close it. So now if you touch here, you can see our login and registration button and no more. So I only have the user demo here as my name, and I can log out after I've finished all my sessions on the website. So if I want to go and comment on any of these posts, I'll click on this red post here. So the post I just finished. So you can, after reading everything, and okay, now let me quickly comment on this post. Let me quickly comment on this post. This is a comment on the Lorem post. This is a question comment for the Lorem post. I will click on submit. Can see how comments have been successfully populated for admin, and admin must approve this comment before you will be able to see it here. So now let me log in as a normal admin. Like this. I want to log in as a normal admin to the system. So if I log in successfully, I'm now logging as a normal admin. You can see admin.here, right? The normal admin can only be able to see the category and also the total number of posts. alright, but they cannot also edit the category, they cannot delete the category, so that anytime they want to make their post, you should be able to know that, okay, I'm making my own post based on so category, right? So if you go to this category, click on view category, or you can click on this number, you can see you have 3 of the category, and our status is visible so that the category can be visible, and also the nav bar, that's the navigation status, is also visible, that is this here. If you go up here, this one you can see here, all of these. These are the ones that we show as the nav bar, and these ones are the normal status category we have here. You can only see the category, the status, and the date that the category is created, but we cannot delete the category. And even if they want to search for the category, they can also click on this and also search for the category. You can see I just type PEP and I'm able to see the category for it to be set. And if I want to create a post, you can be able to go and add a post here. You can be able to go and add a post. You can see no image, right? No image here. So the moment you add an image, anytime you are coming back, you'll be able to see the post. You can add an image, you can also post that. You'll be able to click on this to add an image. The moment I click on it, it will pop up and then it will pop for me to be able to go and select the image. So now go and select any image you want to use. And you close it. And this is the post title. You will give the title of your post, you will select the category of your post, and you want to leave it because anytime either the status is 0 or 1. So now I've logged out as a normal admin. Let me now log in as a super admin. After inputting the email address and the password, I will click on login. So you can see now I'm logged in as a super admin. Right? This is the name for a super admin. Welcome everyone, right? You can see when you are working with the normal admin, you can only have access to see the total category and the total post. But in this aspect for the super admin, you can see your total user, you can see the total approved comments, like no user data, you can see comments awaiting approval, you can see 2 comments, right? The normal comments that you actually added. And you can see total email subscriber is 1, the one that actually subscribed to the email address right at the end of the level. Right? Total message, contact message, the message that was sent is 3, right? So, the super admin has access to be able to change all of this. You can see the site settings. You can change the site information by clicking on this. You can change the site logo. You can change the site title, and you can also decide to change the site description that is shown below here. So you can also change the about page option here by inputting anything on in this way. You'll be able to change the about page here. You'll also be able to change the contact page option here. This is click on the contact us. You can see the contact address, your phone number, your email address, and also the contact description that you have here on the website. This is what I'm talking about here. This one here about the contact information, then the name, the email address, and the address, and also this content here inside the contact us page here. This one, for any inquiry, please feel free to use. As you can change that from the super admin. You can see for any inquiry, please feel free to reach out. All of this will be able to manage that from the super admin. We also have the category. We'll be able to add a category. You will view a category. You also view the draft category. This draft category is used mostly when you have a category that you want to. So now let's change the ad. If you want to change the ad, you click on this, select the ad you want to use, and I'll click on this. I want to use this. I want to leave the link like that, so I'll just click on this ad. And just click on this ad, and it will update our ad. So hi, advert info updated successfully. Can you see? This is how it's going to take a minute. Your advert info updated successfully. Now if I go back to the site and I refresh this page, you can see this is the image for the ad it has already added here. And if I click on it, it's going to take me to the ad page from my contact link because I did not change the link, right? So it will automatically take me to this page. So any ad that you want to use, for you to be able to get the image. After you get the image, you ensure that you have the link to your ad. Whenever you have the link to your ad, you come and add it, and it's also automatically going to your website. All of this will be added by the super admin. All of this will be added by the super admin. Now the next one we have here is the view message. You'll be able to view the entire message that was sent to you from the contact form here. So these are the messages. Now see, these are the messages. This is test@gmail.com. This was the one that was sent December 4, and this one December 4. This one is from 154. So for the one I just sent today, like test user, right? Testing the forget password, right? Please, I forgot my password. I testing on December 4. On December 4, I tested this. Now I also have another one I tested today that I don't get right. I don't get 11@gmail.com. That is testing the contact form for verification for all. Right? We did this today in this video. Testing contact form for verification for all. Right? So for our subscription list, if you go to view subscribers here, you go to the view subscriber login. So if you go to the view subscribers, you can see we only have one subscriber here, so we adamu11@gmail.com, right? Let me quickly go and add another subscriber. Let's say adamu11@ozmagigo.com. If I click at this email address, I don't have the email address in my database. I will go down. Thank you for subscribing to our newsletter. So this one has already been added. Now if I try adding it again, it will send me a message that already, you can see how it's already email already exists. So if I come back here and I refresh this page, you can see we have what? Two of the email address, the one I just added now, right? Two of the email address, that is two of the email address. Now from this, I want to send mail. You can be able to send mail. I'll click on the send mail. So under the send mail here, you will not be able to select the individuals you want to send mail to. You will select the individuals you want to send your mail to. You select the individuals you want to send mail to. So for the individuals you want to send mail to, let's say I want to send mail to this first individual, adamu11@gmail.com. Let me check the mail. Is the mail here? Okay, yes. This is the mail for this. This is the mail for this. Now on selecting this user, we have two of the mail aspects for you to be able to work with here. You have the single mail, whereby you send to individual, and we also have the multi. So for sending it to a single individual, what you just need to do is just to come and select from the individual you have from the list. So the moment you select from the individual, open the site. Let's say for you alone. Open the site on live server for you alone by the here. Now you can click on send. You can see how email sent successfully, right? If I close it, I go back to email address. You can see another one just coming. Open the site for you alone, right? Open the site for you alone. You can open it. I'll see open the site for you. Open the site on live server for you alone by Adamu. And if you also click on this, you'll be able to see the new right from what? This is the email address, right? So this individual email address, and this is the subject and every other thing. So that is how to send mail using the block system. And you can set the individuals, you can also decide to send it to multiple individuals, and it's only going to go to those specific individuals. So after sending the single mail message, so I want to send the multiple mail message. If I click on this, send to multiple mail. Now here you'll be able to select the subscriber. So by clicking on any one of these checkbox here, that means I've already selected the subscriber. You can select it as many subscribers as possible. So if I click on this, I've selected this. If I also click on this, I've selected this email address. And any message I'm inputting here, they are all going to receive the message at the same time. Now, okay, there, one, two, four, message. This is the text message for multiple users. Thank you. So I click on this send message. You can see email sent successfully. Email sent successfully. So each of these users are going to receive this email automatically to their email box. Now if I go to this, you can see over my Google blog we are testing the multiple message. If I click on this, this is a text message for multiple users. And if you click on this, you only see that it's only sent to this message, right? Only sent to this adamo11@gmail.com. It did not include the other email address. And if I also come to this place and I refresh, if I refresh this page, I'm refreshing. Now see the message has arrived, testing the multiple message, right? Now, testing the multiple message from where? Over my Google blog. So this email address, adamo.com, and date is today, what time? 11:38. And this is the message. This is the text message for multiple users. Thank you. So that is the overall explanation about the super blogging system. And if you want to purchase this product, you can quickly go to shop.ozenmadugo.com, shop.ozenmadugo.com to purchase this product. Thank you and stay blessed.